Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing price ladder trading. Okay, so price ladder trading refers to a method of analyzing market activity using a vertical list of price levels, often called the price ladder or depth of market ladder. Okay, so this interface shows how buy and sell orders are distributed across different price levels in real time. The concept is widely used in order flow trading. All right, if you're familiar with the concept of order flow trading, where traders focus on how orders enter and exit the market rather than relying only on traditional price charts. Right? So in a price ladder, each row represents a specific price level. All right. Alongside each price level, traders can see information such as pending buy orders, pending sell orders, and sometimes the number of trades occurring at that level. So you can see this, for example. All right. So like I said, alongside each price level, traders can actually see information such as pending buy orders, pending sell orders, and sometimes the number of trades occurring at that level. So this layout allows traders to observe how supply and demand may be shifting as the market moves. Okay. So for example, if a large number of buy orders appear at a particular price level, right? For example, some traders interpret this as potential support, right? If a large number of sell orders appear at a particular price level above, current market price, that level may act as a resistance. So price ladder trading also allows traders to observe how quickly orders are being filled or removed. Rapid order activity may indicate increasing market momentum or strong participation from other traders. Some traders use price ladder to execute trades directly, placing or adjusting orders quickly as the market moves from one price level to another. Okay. So because this method focuses on real-time order flow, it is often used by traders who prefer to analyze market microstructure and short-term price movement. However, many traders combine price ladder observations with broader analysis methods such as support and resistance levels. All right, so just support and resistance levels. Price action patterns, okay, or trend analysis. So the overall goal of price ladder trading is to gain a deeper understanding of how orders interact within the market and how that interaction may influence short-term price movement. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.